What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your center bezel on your Jeep TJ. Pretty simple, and we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. So first, what I like to use is a little pick, like a little angled pick, because we have to take off this piece here first. And what I like to do is I like to take the pick and slip it in on the side here, and then just lift straight up. So I'll get you guys in a little bit closer. Okay, so we'll just slip it in like this. Turn it sideways, and then just lift straight up till you hear it pop, just like that. And then all you're gonna do is just slowly lift up this way. So we're just gonna slowly lift this guy up and out. There's a couple clips throughout the way here. You wanna be careful in this part is in the middle. It can be a little bit more fragile. But just continue to lift it up. And then all you do is lift it out. Now these little clips here, you want to keep an eye out. Sometimes they'll come off and stay stuck inside the dash here. So if they come out, just pull them out of the dash and then stick them back on here. Okay, so now we're just going to take our little Phillips head screwdriver and just loosen these guys up. There's one, then there's two. Very good. And just put these in a safe spot so you don't lose them. Okay, so now if your Jeep has got an ashtray, you're going to want to pull that guy out just like that. Then there's one more screw right here that we're just going to pull out as well. Okay. Now that we got that out, now we can start pulling out the center bezel here. All right, now the key to this is you probably want to do this when it's not freezing cold, because you'll probably crack your plastic. But grab at the top here and just pull directly back towards you. Your fingers can kind of go on the inside here, not on the actual tabs that are holding the ashtray, but kind of on the inside, and just lightly pull. And then you can just put it out of gear. That'll be helpful. And then you just kind of pull it straight forward. And a lot of the times these little clips will stay inside the dash, so just be on the lookout for that. And if they are, just put them right back on and you're good to go. So now you got access to your HVAC controls, which you can take it out here. Same with your radio, just two bolts right there, and you're good to go. So then reinstalling it, obviously just the reverse. So I'm gonna stick it in here and just get it till it clicks. Once it clicks, you're good to go. Then we're just going to add our screws back in. Real simply. Then we can add our ashtray back. Just like that. Add the top two. Just like that. You can grab this guy again, set it back in there, and just click it down. Just as easy as that. So that's just a quick video on how to take out your center bezel on your Jeep TJ. If you found the video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. And we'll see you guys in the next video.